These are the main ingredients that you need. Corn, onion. We're gonna start by shucking our corn. We go with 2 tablespoons of butter into a pan. And while that's heating, we're gonna take our corn knife and we're just gonna go down the cob. Get that all off. Yeah, I know the whole thing with a bowl and another bowl, but this works for me. Need a half of onion. If you do try to make my corn salsa and you want to alter the recipe, just don't put garlic in it. Garlic makes this thing taste funky beyond belief. We're just gonna go in with our onions and corn, tossing it around. Now I know what you're thinking. Man, I bet if I saute my onions first, it'd be even better. No, you do not do that. Put them in fresh. One that helps with the color to keep it a bright color, and also it's the type of flavor that you're looking for, freshness. Now just after about 5 minutes, just getting it out the skillet and into a blender. I'm gonna heat it with our trusty salt and pepper. Salt, pepper. And then we're gonna give it a bunch of olive oil. How about now? No. That might be enough. There's no certain amount. You're really looking for a consistency. Not quite like a tomato sauce. Yep, that's good. But almost like a tomato sauce. We're done. Now you don't have to throw these cobs away. They'll be great to use for some vegetable broth or to make some cream corn. My corn is cooking. I'm gonna come over here with my chicken, and we're just gonna get this fat off. And for today, we're gonna do some thin slices. And how we do that? Get it laid out, and you decide the thickness or the thinness that you want in your slice. Seasoning the meat, we're gonna season the flour directly. Some salt, pepper, garlic, basil would be great. But you know what I'm going with, a little bit of that AP seasoning. Mix that in. And now we wait on our oil to heat up. Alright, now that our grease is ready, we're going with our thinly sliced chicken. And as you probably figured, I'm not doing any eggs, but as you probably figured, this is not going to take very long. Get these in this seasoned flour. We're going to lay these babies in. If need be, halfway through, you can flip them. Once you're done, you're pulling them. Now let's plate. So first, go down with some of this corn sauce. Make a little bed of it. Go down with some of our thinly sliced chicken. For a pop of color. Green beans over top. Is my presentation better? That look okay? Let's get in there. Some of that chicken up. Get some of that sauce on. That's good. Eat that all day. Y'all enjoy.